goes black, you look up.
Not again.
Distraction of the car. Oh, our bad. We'll try and fix it. Yeah. No, we can't do that.
It looked like fun.
They really do like breaking other people's property.
The fire department?
This guy, here's the sunglasses just side his face. This guy regrows his mustache and then gets rid of it every now and then, so then people don't know who exactly he is. So they both have a secret identity, and nobody knows.
Do they actually work for the fire department?
Yes,
or is
they
it just
do.
a front?
They do, but they don't take it seriously. And whenever they get caught, they just go to the nearest place and try and burn it down. Because they're on the Coast Guard, so...
Oh, so they're not really the fire department.
Sure they are. If they see a boat on fire, they usually go to it. But if it's somewhere on land, they literally just go to whoever they want on the dock and spray them down and, like, drive away.
Sounds.
Like, whoops, sorry, wrong place.
Whoops, sorry.
And then drive away as fast as they possibly can so then they don't get in trouble.
Sounds right. Do they have to go through special training for all that?
No.
Yes.
You gotta go through special training for the fire department, but if they are in the boat department, they kind of just sit there. But they do have to go through all the training.
They kind of just sit there. I like it.
Because I
Also, this guy always drives it. He's very bad with the hoses. He could honestly spray a house down. He's so bad.
Huh. I'm learning something new.
So these guys don't really take their job that seriously.
How about you guys, Dylan?
I only got one guy,
Yeah,
and
you
he
only
has
got
one arm.
So, is that by choice?
No, he just didn't come with another.
Jared,
So
you destroyed a fireman.
Wait, what?
trying to attach this to this truck.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, idea.
To make
Nothing
it
but
a rocket truck?
Ready?
Ooh.
I have your chicken.
Is that what it's supposed to be?
No,
What is it?
it's supposed to be supposed to look like that.
So what kind of truck is that?
Oh.
It's a cement truck.
Yes, we are.
Hey, I got a fire.
But I didn't like it, so I made it have the head that opens, and now I'm putting a rocket on the back.
Nice.
Sure, ma'am.
So what happened to his arm?
Alright, so.
Oh no, it
Why,
just
why did you take his arm off?
It wasn't there when I got the set, so.
I swear, officer, his arm was missing when I got here. He got here like that.
Yep.
Tell it to
Fire
the judge.
department, there's this fire down in the main city.
Oh, what?
So, yeah, we're gonna, drive this way. We're just gonna go for a little drive around our department.
Like,
See ya.
what?
We're gonna go burn down a house.
Oh, that's how I can do it.
Dock. At the dock. Sorry, sir, but your truck's on fire. Nothing. The truck is not even on fire.
Nice one, Lily.
Our job's done here.
Sure.
And they head back to roots.
It's a
3 days later.
It's a chicken cannibal.
Excuse me, but there's this giant fire out
Very
there.
nice.
Central
I'm
Square.
trying
Can
to
you
find
guys
the
come
skeleton.
Can you hear that? Yeah.
Do you think you're good enough aim? You can hit the camera.
Big fire. Can you get that? Oh, sure thing. You guys just saying you're the.
Well, that was close.
Whee! This is an expert tape, by the way. Sorry, sir, for the misconception, but your truck seems to be on fire. No, it isn't! Destruction. Leaves. 3 weeks later. Sorry, sir, but your truck. No! Ah, save us! They leave in a hurry. Ah! Tsunami the next day. We should have seen this coming. Get below deck. I'm trying, but the seatbelt won't break. Ah! Save yourselves, man!
That's working with you.
It just turned out to be a little pool of water bubbling.
Turn back that.
3 days later. Oh, by the way, they got food in here in case they are on break and they can't get back to the dock, so. Oh, the tsunami's finally gone. Oh, we survived. Time to go and check in on the locals. No, he can't get out here. Dude, you stole my rocket. Dallin!
Is there a rocket on there,
No,
Dallin?
it's like a little light spotlight thing, and he stole it.
The light thing.
He stole it
goes
from
right
my.
there.
Where's the little piece that connects it?
It's also getting used.
You need to eat some more food, buddy.
I love bones.
Mr. Bony Hands.
Oh, Dad, the next.
Yes!
These guys are driving around. They traded spots for the day. This guy kind of just chilled. The guy with the sunglasses doesn't know how to use his sprayers. So what does he do? He just guesses on every single button on what sprays and what doesn't and what aims.
He just guesses, so there's no training? Or does he just not remember his training?
No, he's just really, really bad at it. He remembers, just he can't, like, he knows what
He
everything does.
remembers that it was boring and that he didn't pay attention.
He did pay attention, it just didn't come natural, and he couldn't figure out what the symbols meant on the thing. He knows how to sit in this thing and shoot the water, but
So
he
they
can't.
on their way over to the scene right now.
Yeah, they're coming back to this guy's truck. They have a spotlight, and he's showing it right on him just to warn him, hey, we're going to spray ya. Drying the whole dock. Alright, gentlemen. Waterfall. Well, that was quite an adventure.
Very nice. Get yours all the way done?
Judd gets a turn.
Thanks for the movie. It was awesome.